Never looked at this to really realize that they're actually from Trinidad and Tobago. Oh, look here. And then say, good friend better than pocket money. Good friend better than pocket money. My friends bought this up from me from Jamaica. I mean, they're not Grace, you know. They're Caribbean choice. But a sausage nonetheless. And guess what? They're a Jamaican sausage nonetheless. You understand? Wait, Caribbean choice make a Jamaica? A AT&T product them. A AT&T make this, you know. Inspected by TNT. Trinidad, about AT&T. Trinidad and Tobago. To backside. Product of Trinidad and Tobago. Inspected in JA. So Jamaica inspect them, but then come from Trinidad and Tobago. Still gonna name them. Tan spicy one. You know what, swear? Why Jamaica sell Trinidad and Tobago sausage? And Tobago sausage? I mean, I said they can't import stuff, you know. That's not what I'm saying. But enough chicken in their Jamaica. Enough offals and intestines in their Jamaica. For use. Nice though.